Good morning. We're going to do a paddle today. Brice's Creek, which is a creek that runs into the Trent River, which ultimately runs into the Neuse River. So it should be about a 4-hour paddle. It's going to be about 12 miles. So we're closing in on the launch site now, which is State Road 1111. It's better known as Old Airport Road in New Bern. It's the last bridge on that road. All the way almost to the dead end of Old Airport Road. So we'll get back with you when we get underway. Talk to you later. Good job, bud. Be careful. Hello, boo. And we are out of here. We're paddling Brice's Creek, which is a creek a feeder creek that feeds the Trent River at New Bern, and New Bern actually feeds the Neuse River. So we're in some tight quarters for a 17-foot sea kayak, but it'll open up in an hour or so. It's a beautiful day. I actually had planned to do this paddle tomorrow, but it's supposed to blow 15, gusting to 25. So I thought I'd just go ahead and do this today. So today's supposed to be 5 to 10 knots out of the north, switching to the east or out of the east this afternoon. So, and a high of 75, partly cloudy, so it's a beautiful day. I've never been on this creek before, any part of it, so we're taking this new area together. Always fun and exciting going to a new place. Water's maybe up just a little bit, not much. It looks like it's about a 2-knot current in here. I don't know what we're going to encounter in the way of strainers, trees down, downfall. But we'll knock that out if we have whatever we have to do to get through it like we usually do. So I'll spin you around and give you a little peek of what we've got here to start with. There's some big turtles up ahead. Okay. We will get back with you in a minute. Everything. Warning, the bear is hungry. mile marker number 2. We're going to make a stop at the 5.4 mile mark. There is a Brice's Creek wildlife put in. As I said, although I live 45 minutes away in Oriental, I have never been in here, so let's see if we can't get a dime tour of that place. Or a good place to stop and stretch your legs, get a drink of water. So we'll check that out. That should be at the 5.4 mile mark. So we're at a little over 2.5 miles right now. So we'll get back with you shortly. Okay, we're at a little over 3.5 miles, 3.6 miles. So getting her done. Just checking in with you. Get back with you momentarily. So we're at 5.25 miles. So this is the Brice's Creek wildlife put in here, launching ramp. So we will stop, take a look at this, see what we got. Just holding around.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we go out at night. All right, this is it. We're up here at the main road now. Well, not the main road, but see what this sign says right here. There we go. I don't know if these are day use areas or I assume you could camp here if you wanted to. Getting back at it. It'll be, yeah. Y'all had any luck?
No, sir.
No, none at all?
None at all.
Oh boy.
What's all in here?
There's bass, freshwater fish, bass, crappie, catfish.
Trout?
I don't know if the trout are quite up this far with all the fresh water we've had. Probably down, downstream, another mile or two.
Okay.
Good luck. Y'all have a good one. All right, we are out of here. 5.4 miles. But it is beautiful back in here. It's slowly widening out. So We're a little over 4 miles from the next pit stop, which is a store. That is really the end of the Brice's Creek Trail. I think it's called Merchant Store. I don't remember the name of the store. But anyway, that's where I think the paddle trail ends. But we're going to go ahead and go, that was only 9 or 9.5 miles, and I'd like to go at least 10 or 12, a minimum. 15 or 20 is even better. But so we're gonna get, although we're gonna stop, we're gonna keep on getting it from the merchant store for the paddle ends. We're gonna go into keep on paddling, which is another mile or two. I think it's about 2 miles, a mile or two anyway, to the Trent River, and then it's a couple more miles to the Neuse River. Lawson Creek Park is where we're gonna take out. Leah's gonna meet us there. I think we said 2:30 or so. Told it was gonna be about a 4-hour paddle. So we're getting it done. Beautiful day. So we'll check back in with you shortly. Snuck up on him. A little over 7 miles into it. You can see it's getting pretty developed. I think it's going to be pretty much developed from here on out. But the river, the creek is still beautiful. He's a trapeze artist. All right, we are a half mile to the next stop. See some signs up here, as a matter of fact. So running into some boat traffic, if you can probably hear or see. So we'll stop in up here. We're 9 miles into it here. So we'll check in with you up here at the stop. Okay, so here is the convenience store takeout. Looks kind of busy. Not to mention I'm running a little late. You can see some kayak rentals up there. So I'm going to continue on. I think this is the merchant store on Brice's Creek Road. This is the takeout for most people. But like I said, we're going to continue on. I'm going to, I'll confirm the name of the store and put it in the notes below the video. So we're going to carry on. It is, it's merchants. I saw a sign there. So, merchant store. Okay, so this is the mouth of Brice's Creek. We're coming into the Trent River. right now. So there's actually the sign for the for that takeout back there. You can see that. There's that. All right, we'll check back in with you as we start closing in on it. Okay, back in a minute. Okay. Dead ahead, we've got the Highway 70 bridge. Probably getting a lot of wind noise in the mic going into the wind here. We're going to start to pick up a little bit. A lot of boat traffic, so just thought I'd give you a shout out since we see the bridge up ahead. Get back in with you shortly, guys. But it's been a beautiful day. It's been great. Into the wind. 5-10 knots into the wind about all day. Yeah, it hadn't been bad at all. It's been a beautiful day. Great day to get out and paddle. So, we'll check back in a minute, guys. Alright, closing in on it. Here's downtown New Bern.
I'm fuming.
We made it. We made it.
Done.